Intro. In the vast and varied tapestry of life on our planet, there exists a group of creatures that command a unique blend of fear and fascination. They are the snakes, masters of stealth and survival, armed with one of nature's most sophisticated and deadly weapons, venom. For millions of years, they have moved through forests, deserts, and grasslands, largely unseen, their presence a silent, potent force. Their evolution has crafted a remarkable diversity of forms and strategies, but it is their ability to deliver a swift, often fatal, blow that has placed them among the world's most formidable predators. I'm Hira Khan, and for as long as I can remember, I have been captivated by these extraordinary animals. Their sleek forms, their ancient lineage, and the sheer power they hold within their delicate bodies is a testament to the raw, untamed beauty of the natural world. Chapter 2. We now venture into the leafy canopies of sub-Saharan Africa, a world of dappled light and shadow. Camouflaged amongst the branches, a snake of deceptive beauty and extraordinary danger appears, the boomslang. Its name in Afrikaans translates as tree snake, a fitting description for an arboreal specialist. Slender body, large eyes, vibrant green coloration, brown variants. It blends seamlessly into the foliage. A master of disguise, patiently waiting for its prey. Chameleons, birds. Generally shy and non-aggressive, it prefers camouflage over confrontation. Bites are relatively rare, usually occurring when handled or when the snake feels cornered. Its fangs sit at the rear of the mouth. It must open its jaw to an almost impossible degree to envenomate a human. That placid nature plus inefficient delivery creates a false sense of security, a fatal misconception in some cases. At first, a boomslang bite may seem trivial, little pain, little swelling. Symptoms are dangerously delayed, sometimes 24 hours or more, but inside, a powerful hemotoxin destroys the body's ability to clot blood, far more powerful than many front-fanged vipers. When symptoms arrive, they are horrific, bleeding from gums, nose, even the smallest cut. Without specific boomslang antivenom, unstoppable internal and external hemorrhaging lead to a slow, agonizing death. Chapter 3. From the Americas, north and south, comes a snake wrapped in a vibrant warning. The coral snake, with its striking bands of red, yellow, black, is a famous example of aposematism, bright coloration to advertise danger. The old rhyme, red on yellow, kill a fellow, red on black, venom lack, is familiar. However, with over 80 species, that folk wisdom can be dangerously unreliable. These snakes are often reclusive, fossorial, spending much of their lives underground or under leaf litter. They are not aggressive. Bites to humans are uncommon, typically when one is accidentally stepped on or foolishly handled. Unlike vipers with long, hinged fangs, coral snakes are elapids with small, fixed fangs at the front. To deliver venom, they often hold on and chew, despite the toxin's sheer potency. The coral snake's venom is a powerful neurotoxin, one of the most potent among North American snakes. It acts not on the blood, but on the nervous system. The toxin targets neuromuscular junctions. Early symptoms can include slurred speech, double vision, difficulty swallowing. If untreated, paralysis spreads. The diaphragm and intercostals fail. The victim stays conscious but cannot breathe, leading to respiratory arrest. Chapter 4. We return to Asia, to the densely populated agricultural landscapes that stretch from India to Taiwan. Here lives a snake responsible for immense death and suffering, the Russell's viper. A member of India's Big Four, this viper is a major public health crisis. Its preference for open grassy areas and farmland, particularly rice paddies, puts it in frequent conflict with millions. Stout, heavily built, perfectly camouflaged with dark, chain-like ovals. Primarily nocturnal, it hunts rodents drawn to grain stores and human settlements, into yards, barns, sometimes even homes. Not inherently aggressive, but short-tempered. It coils tightly, hisses with volume few match, and strikes with devastating speed. The venom is a horrific cocktail. A powerful coagulant triggers microclots that can cause strokes or heart attacks. Simultaneously, other components crash blood pressure and induce acute kidney failure. Pain is immediate and excruciating, followed by massive, rapidly spreading swelling. The venom destroys muscle tissue. Survivors often face kidney damage requiring dialysis and sometimes amputation. Its abundance, potent and complex venom, and devastating long-term injuries make it one of the most feared snakes on the planet. Chapter 5. Our journey takes us into the lush, humid rainforests and plantations of Central and South America. This is the realm of the fer de lance, French for spearhead, perfectly describing its head and its reputation for size, irritability, and a devastating bite. Known locally as the terciopelo, it is a formidable neotropical presence. Growing over 6 feet, a powerful predator and master of ambush. Intricate brown and gray patterning disappears into the forest floor, where the danger lies. This snake does not always retreat. It often holds its ground. If it perceives a threat, it can strike with incredible speed and a very long reach. Its excitable, unpredictable nature makes it responsible for the majority of serious snake bites in its range. The venom is predominantly cytotoxic and hemotoxic, a truly destructive combination. It immediately attacks and digests tissue around the bite. Pain is intense and immediate. Cells and blood vessels break down, causing severe swelling, blistering, and hemorrhaging. Rapid, widespread necrosis. Flesh rots away, turning black. Destruction can expose muscle and bone. Systemic bleeding and tissue loss make every bite a dire emergency. Survivors often face permanent disability, scarring, skin grafts, sometimes amputation. Size, temperament, and venom firmly establish it among the America's most dangerous snakes. Chapter 6. We travel to Australia, a continent renowned for deadly creatures. The eastern brown snake thrives from bush to suburb. Slender, agile, variable in color, and nervy. It raises into a vertical S and strikes with precision. Its venom is exceptionally potent. Fast-acting neurotoxins plus a powerful procoagulant cause rapid circulatory collapse. Bites can seem painless with faint marks. Victims may collapse within minutes. It causes more fatalities in Australia than any other snake. Chapter 7. The coastal taipan. Large, intelligent, exceptionally fast, often near sugarcane and farms. When cornered, it unleashes multiple precise strikes in a heartbeat, delivering a massive dose. Among the most toxic venoms, devastating neurotoxins, and a procoagulant that consumes clotting factors, risking internal bleeding. Before antivenom, it was almost invariably fatal. Today, survival depends on immediate, aggressive treatment, often within the hour. Chapter 8. The king cobra, the world's longest venomous snake, can raise a third of its body and growl hiss at eye level. An ophiophagous specialist with danger not just in potency, but in volume, up to 7 milliliters, enough to kill an elephant or 20 humans. Primarily neurotoxic, severe pain, blurred vision, drowsiness, swiftly progressing paralysis, death from respiratory failure. Chapter 9. The black mamba, olive gray or brown, named for its inky mouth, among the fastest snakes up to 12 miles per hour. Cornered, it strikes repeatedly, injecting a complex mix of neurotoxins, cardiotoxins, and fasciculins. Chapter 10. The inland taipan, the most venomous land snake, reclusive yet delivering taipoxin with neurotoxins, procoagulants, and myotoxins.